looking from afar, and I guess there will be people wondering what's next for Craig Bellamy. Will we? I know that's a big question.
Yeah, a break. Have a couple of weeks of break. I'm drained, emotionally drained. So I've loved this week. I really have, but I'm emotionally. This took a lot out of me. It took a lot out of me, and because it was an objective and it was a huge passion for me. Like I wanted this so bad, and the players did as well. And I found it difficult. It was heartbreak. Do you know when a girl's broke your heart?
A boy, yeah.
A boy, yeah. And do you know when you feel? I'm not sure I want to go through that again. Do you understand what I mean? But you do. We all fall for it. But yeah, it was really, really hard. It was really hard. So I need a couple of weeks for me to be able to, to see what I can do to get better.